Hello friends, this is Professor Sanjeev Dwivedi, and in this session we'll be talking about Module 5 Structure and Union. First, we should start with structure. Now, what is structure? See, structure is user-defined data type. Now, if we revisit our concept of data type, it was like this. We studied int, float, long, char as built-in data type. During our discussion, we have also discussed this. Every data type basically gives three information. See, if you write int x, it means that we need to create a memory of size 2 byte. That means first, the size of the memory. Second, that memory can store only integer type values. So type of value that can be stored. And third, what are the operations that can be performed on the value stored. So we can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication, division on the value that are stored on integer. So when we write int x, x is a variable of type int. X will have all the properties and features of type int. In this regard, we are going to create our own data type. Now, why do we need our own data type? Just imagine you're taking admission in a college and college wants to store record of all the students. The first thing college will do is college will decide when it comes to storing the record of every student, what will be the values that we will use. So the college will store your first name, middle name, last name, your age, gender, contact number, email ID, name and contact number of your parents, address. So if you see about when college decides to store data of every student, college decide about certain values that it needs. So basically when college decides to store data of a student, it is collection of values of different type. Let's say first name, middle name, last name, type string, age could be integer, let's say percentage could be float, address again string. So basically, we are talking about an entity that will have values of different type. This was not up till now what we did. Up till now, we created an array that of integer that will only store integer. We created array of float that will only store float. Here we are talking about a single entity student that will have values of different type. This is the need of structure. I could say structure is kind of precursor to class concept that you will study in Java, or you might have, many of you might have studied in Java or C++. So class is again user-defined data type, but that will be in further course that you will study. Now we are going to talk about structure. So what is structure? Structure is a user-defined data type. Yes, we are going to create our own type. So the size will be decided by us. What type of value stored will be decided by us. What type of operation that will be performed will again be decided by us. And it is collection of variables of different types. Now, as we discussed, every student will have roll number, name, percentage, address, contact number, email ID. So we are talking about collection of values of different data types. This is how a structure will be declared. It is struct, it's a keyword, it's all lowercase. Huh? And then structure name, data type, and name of variable. We'll first see example and then we'll come back to this. Suppose college decide to create a structure student. So struct is a keyword as it is, all lowercase, student. And then college decide we are right now going to take three information of every student. We are going to take their roll number, their name, and percentage. So roll number is a member of structure student data type int. Name is a member of structure student data type array of character string. Percentage will be a member of structure student data type as float. So this is how we create a data type. Remember, this declaration will not occupy any memory. See, if I simply write int, it has got no meaning. A type has no meaning unless and until you create a variable. Doctor is a type. It's like a person possessing these qualities are doctor, but unless and until we have a variable, like every doctor is a variable of type doctor. So you getting what I mean? Every person who is a doctor has property that a doctor should possess. So every doctor that we see around are variable of type doctor. For example, dinosaur is a class, it's a type, like any animal having these attributes or properties are fit to be called as dinosaur. But do we have any variable now today life? So today we do not have any variable of type dinosaur. However, dinosaur is still a type. So right now what we say when we declare a structure, we are only creating a type. Like only int will not have memory unless and until we write int x comma y. Unless and until we create variable of that type, it has got no meaning. So see, you must be hearing something like these species are now getting extinct. It means that that species is a type, and we are having no longer variable of the type of that species. So we say these species are getting extinct because the variables are no longer existing. So we only what we did is we created a structure. We have not created any variables. It basically has got no meaning of its own. Now we are going to create a variable, let's say struct student S1. So S1 is a variable of type student, which is of type structure. And this is how we initialize it because the student will have roll number, name, and percentage. So every variable of structure student will have roll number, name, and percentage. This is roll number, this is name and percentage. So 111 will be assigned to roll number, Mahesh will be assigned to variable name, and this will be assigned to variable percentage. Then, now, when it comes to members, roll number, name, and percentage on members, they must be accessed using variable. Kiska roll number? If we have 4 students, like if we have a class of student and simply I just enter into class or मैं बोलो roll number बोलो तो लोग पूछेंगे किसका. So we have to specify किसका roll number, किस variable का roll number. So S1 का रोल नंबर, S2 का नाम, S2 का परसेंटेज है, S1 का रोल नंबर, S1 का नाम, S1 का परसेंटेज. So member, like if I enter a class and say percentage बोलो, people will ask किसका. If I pick up a student और मैं बोलो percentage बोलो, then we'll get an answer. We have to specify किस variable का percentage, because percentage तो हर student के पास होगा. So we access the member roll number, name, or percentage using variable S1. So S1 ka, this is another way of initializing it. S1 ka roll number is 111, S1 ka name is Mahesh, and S1 ka percentage is 98.75. So this is what we did is we created a structure, we created one variable of the structure, and we have assigned the values. Let's see this with example in a program. Now consider this one. Struct student, we created a structure student. Student will have name, roll number, and percentage. Every structure will end with semicolon. And now here I'm creating a variable of the structure. Struct student S1. This is how we create a variable. There is another way of doing it. We will talk in detail. And then I'm asking. So it's like, what this will do is we'll simply create variable S1. S1 will have name. There will be a memory assigned. This will be of size, because the size is 20, so this will be of size 20 bytes. And then we have roll number. This will be of size 2 bytes. And then we have percentage. This will be of size 4 bytes. What we have 20 plus 2, 22 plus 26 bytes. So what I just created when I said S1, I created a memory of something like this S1. This will have name assigned. So it will get memory of 26 byte. Out of that, 20 byte will be assigned to name, 2 byte for roll number, and 4 byte for percentage. I have to assign value to it. Now, if I create one more variable S1, comma S2, I could have created S1, comma S2. So there will be one more memory of 26 byte S2, and it will have name, roll number, and percentage. Something like this. There will be one more memory. Name, roll number, percentage again of memory of size 26. So we'll have name here, we'll have roll number here, and we'll have percentage here. This is S2. So see, even S1 and S2 are variable of type student. They both will have name, they both will have roll number, they both will have percentage. Now even I create 3 variable S1, S2, S3. Same for three variables. So all three will have name, all three will have roll number, all three will have percentage. Now I want to assign value to it. I have to specify kiska naam, kiska roll number, kiska percentage. So enter detail of student. So I say enter detail of student, enter name. I want this name to be assigned to name. So let get us simply नाम नहीं लिखूंगा s1 dot. अगर ये s2 का होता तो मैं क्या लिखता s2 dot name. s3 का होता तो s3 dot name. Enter roll number ampersand. Now this is string, so we will not specify ampersand. Roll number s1 dot roll number kt. Okay, हमने नाम इसको percentage दे दिया. Sorry. Float. So what we have done is we have accessed the variable using we have accessed the member using variable name. So s1 dot name ampersand s1 dot roll number and ampersand s1 dot possible. So यहाँ पे समझो I said name is Ajay. So there will be value assigned here Ajay. And roll number suppose 1. There will be value assigned 1%. So 80. So there will be value assigned. And now I want to display it. I want to display it. So details of the student. I'm displaying print of print. I'm displaying S1 ka naam, S1 ka roll number, and S1 ka percentage. So if we display name equal to Ajay, roll number equal to 1, percentage equal to 80. I want to repeat this. I want to rewrite for S2 also. Then I will simply write again. Enter detail of second student. Enter name. Enter roll number. Enter percentage. And it will be S2 dot name ampersand S2 dot roll number ampersand S2 dot percentage. And to display the value, it will be S2 dot name, S2 dot roll number, S2 dot. We will see. Let's see. Bye. Done. See, it says enter name, Ajay, number 101. Okay, मैंने mistake से KD लिख दिया था. It should have been let's say percentage detail of student Ajay roll number. Now let's see one again. Once again, we'll go back to the program. The percentage and okay. Now if I want to repeat this for second for two student, control C, control V. This will be detail for first student, detail for second student. So we'll write S1 student the details of first student, and we'll write F plus because I'm asking name, F plus, and then enter details of student. So now second student will be S2 first student S2 dot name, number, and details of student, details of first student. So S1 the details and now we will write details of second student. Yes, इसके बताएंगे we will have details of S2. So what we did is we created two variables. Here we accepted name, roll number, and percentage for first variable. We accepted name, percentage, roll number, percentage for second variable. We displayed the detail of first student and we displayed the second variable of second student. Now F flash we are aware of, since I'm going to read a name after percentage, so there will be that residual backslash n ka problem. To overcome that, हमने ये F flash लिखा है. So please see, I created a structure and I created two variables. I can create n number of variables. I can create 100 variables, 1000 variables. So it's like you create a structure once and you use it. You create as many as variable. Now let's see the output for this. Enter details of name, It's not saved, I guess. Okay, let me execute another window. Okay. Okay, sorry. It's percentage. It should work. Okay. Yeah, so we have enter details of first student. Let's see, Ajay, roll number 101, percentage 70. Details of second student, enter name Vijay, roll number 102, percentage 80. Details of first student, Ajay, roll number, percentage, details of second student, Vijay, roll number and percentage. What we did is, here we learned to create our own type. We learn to create variable. We also learn that variable of the type will have all the attributes of the type, will have all the members of the type, and we will access those variables using the attribute. We will access those attributes using variables. Sorry, we have name, roll number, and percentage access using S1 and S2. जैसे किसका नाम S1 का नाम किसका नाम किसका roll number S1 का roll number किसका percentage S1 का percentage. Something like this. We'll go back to the program. So this is the most important thing. Now we can also rewrite this program. See, अगर आपने notice किया होगा कि यहाँ जितनी बार यहाँ जब मैं variable बना रहा हूँ I have to specify struct again and again. This can be avoided. What you can write is another way. Just type def. Type def is a keyword. You declare, you define a type struct. Don't give name here. Assign name here. You could have assigned there also, but normally we assign it here. So it's like type def struct. Declare the structure and then specify the name. So here we are defining a data type. It is of type struct. It will contain these variables and this is the name of the structure. And then now what happens is you don't have to specify struct again and again. Every time you want to create a variable, you just write structure का नाम and variable. Because अब मेरे system को समझ गया है कि student एक structure type defined. So you don't have to specify the struct keyword again and again before you write student. So this is better way, more professional, because every now and then we don't have to specify struct every time. In fact, not every now and then. Every time you write student, otherwise you have to specify struct student. Now by using type def, there is no need for you to again and again specify the struct keyword before you use student. So this was one example about structure. Thank you very much.